5:02. It's starting to rain here a little bit. East Kingsford, Michigan. Tractors have been out here this morning working the line. You see the vehicle parked down there. Haven't caught too many trains across here the last couple days after all the work they have done. Kind of interested to see what all the tie work will do. Here comes the weight. Put some logs over the top. Again, they replaced most of the ties between where I'm standing and the next intersection down there. However, they have put no ballast down. And the last time they did this, they didn't put any ballast down either, so we shall see how this is going to hold up. I feel like they're purposely going a little faster just to see how they rock or move on the tracks. Whether or not they got to do some more or not, you know. Either way, it's nice that they finally did some work here. Granted, we like rocking trains, but on the other hand, wouldn't we rather be safe? Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to slam that thumbs up button without breaking your computer or phone. Hit that subscribe button, make a comment below, and man, have a great day, eh?